هذا أبراج. شنو أبراج يعني hotel.
Seaside.
هذا seaside يعني.
No. This is Sharak.
City.
هذا street.
Sharak. Kuwait City Sharak.
Oh.
This is seaside. This tower Abraj.
إيه.
Before Abraj. This.
والله هذا بعيد. شو يعني؟
You go to food hotel.
لا هذا مدام جول روميناك في بارتي بعدين كذي
We party here.
إيه كلها فلبيني. takut first time. Ya pindut-pindut na sa akong cellphone ba? Mayroon lagi updan pa ka?
Kung pagawas ta ka ginaw, nagdiretso ta to.
Sabi?
Hindi ta man balaan, gagay pa man ang oras, di ba? Kaya ngay naman na balaan niya si Maniho, gawulat sa gawas.
Hindi ko nabalaan pala gamulat sa mga sa gawas kaya.
Tilayo pa dito.
Ngayon pa eh, hindi ko daw talapit sa ano.
Kaya nga sabi niya, bakit daw doon na doon?
Sino?
Si Mama. Di ba kamarami? Ito yung number niya.
Wala siya sa WhatsApp mo. Lagi pa send niya sa location. Sa WhatsApp ang location.
Ari naman ginapasa niya ang question. Pamula mo yan. Ang straight niya. Taga kumagpot ang mula yan ba? City Tower.
Tinonto ito. First time here.
Ito nakabida ang saya.
Ngayon lang kaya nakakaon kami sa bida ang saya. Kung wala bida din ang gutom sa niya. Bida ang gutom. Ang itsura sang nakakaon sang bida ang saya. Istorya ang tuling maniho tayo para na doon. Magbangas-basan ato na kakulba. How long you work here in Kuwait, brother?
How many years? 15 years.
Wala.
Allah.
Kuwait James, ha?
You?
10 years.
10 years? Not so. This 10 years more experience.
10 years here. Last December 18.
Congratulations.
I finished 1 decade here in Kuwait.
You go another country?
You did the one
Inshallah.
decade.
1 decade is enough for Kuwait. Sa brother?
Huh?
1 decade, 10 years is enough for Kuwait. Badin ro baad thani
Another.
another
Another
country.
country,
Sa?
Not good now, Kuwait.
ليش؟
Too much fucking.
Sino?
Too much. No, before Corona good. After Corona too much this rules and regulations.
Sa. Hada this taxi brother is your own? I mean, you pay every day or the
Yes,
company?
Pay every day.
Oh, how much you pay every day, brother?
Per day 8 kd this car.
Not in company?
Not company. This company per day this lease.
Baad, brother?
1.5 kilometer. Now 15 minutes, how many kilometer come you? 2.5 kilometer only.
Because of the traffic.
Yes. Normal day, mungkin 10 minutes more.
So sorry. Sa? Stress-stress ako na lang ni kayo lang. Lugay kitang kabutaton. Lokasyon.
Minimum today, go outside each area, each person 5 kd.
Wala.
Wallah. Why? Too much traffic. Go can in minimum 2 hours.
Sa.
You are get down, same place I go to 1 hour. Return. Too much traffic. You experienced 10 years, not understand Arabic.
I understand, but the shoya yani.
You totally talking English, huh?
Yes, my madam don't talk to me in Arabic.
Where are you working?
I'm working in the house, but we are in Dahia.
Daya? Go.
Dahia is just near here, right?
Near, yes. Good persons, Daya.
Yeah, because they are rich yan.
Yes. Daya, Dasma, Dayab Salam, Manchuria,
Surya, Kadsiya, Chidi.
Nuzza. Rich persons area. Nearly city good. Go Jahara too much.
Otherwise, muskila.